How to restore accidentally deleted Chrome profile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. Without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head toward File Explorer on your laptop or PC. Once you do, you simply need to head toward the local disk. You will be able to find it under this PC folder. So on your left hand side, scroll down, go to this PC and click on local disk. Then after in local disk, you simply need to head toward users. You can simply search it or scroll down. Double click on user, click on your laptop's or PC name. Here now you simply need to search for local. So write local in search box, double tap on the folder at the top. Now here in the local folder you simply need to scroll down until you see the option of Google. Once you find the Google option, double click on it, double click on Chrome, then you will see the option of user data here. So simply right click on it, go to show more option from the menu and there you will see the option of restore. Simply click on it and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.